Here we are at Cabela's, ready to see Santa.
Look at what's in the back. What is that?
Blankets, huh?
Hi,
Hi. You driving?
Daddy. Wait, what is that?
What is what?
That's huge.
Oh, they have somebody talking on the speaker.
I think that knows. Wait, does he have those milk?
Is that what you want for Christmas?
I think that's an awesome
But
idea.
there's the back there.
So it says no operator under age 10. It is? Wow, what?
Wait, what? Harrison, look, you have this one. That's...
Yeah.
It's right there. Go get it. Look at it. Look at it. Get a picture. Get a picture.
Yeah.
Woo! Harrison, wait. Wait for our turn here. Yeah, have that whole area over there.
Santa, why don't you?
Yeah. Are you going to be, you want to go up and talk to him a little bit by yourself first?
Yeah, can you help me?
Yeah, we can help you. Okay. Yeah.
Go that one. You want to go that one to not that? But Mom, girl,
You like it?
I don't want to do it. Oh, that one's better.
Cool.
Beep. Now comes that one.
Oh yeah, go check those out. There's a lot of them over there, huh?
I love the animals. Oh, I'm gonna go on that one's bigger than. Wait.
This one has antlers on it, Harrison.
Can I do that?
Okay, go on the other red one right there.
But down bigger than down. I'm going
Yeah,
down.
they both look pretty big.
I'm gonna go on down.
You can go on the houseboat, on the boat in the back too.
I'm going
I'm
back.
going down.
Yeah, look, there's stairs right there.
Oh, I can't. Can I? Yeah. Can I go move?
Sure. As he pulls me down. I have to figure out how to open this. There you go.
There you go.
What the?
Harrison, should we buy one of these for
Maybe I could be a rival. Daddy, come on.
I'll be
you know what
on.
they have? They're on over here. They have on the lid. They have a measurement, so you can measure your fish right there.
Ah. Built in,
Yeah.
a
So you
yardstick.
can- Yeah, because this is like to wash your fish and stuff. Yes.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that, Harrison. Maybe one day.
Wow.
We need a boat this big?
Nana.
A little bit.
Nana. But can I go on that one? I gotta eat one. Wow, this have whoa! I can even just go down here. Wow.
This is just a fishing.
Yeah, this is just to go fishing. Nice, powerful. You fit in there?
Wait, it's they will Ricky.
That's for the fish. Yeah. You want to see if you fit?
But don't close it.
I won't close it. You fit. Hey, we caught some fish and a Harrison. Okay.
And we're here.
All right, ready to go?
Ready to do it?
Woohoo!
Oh, do you want to try it? Okay.
Oh, hold on, our hands.
Yeah, can you hold my hand?
Why did that happen?
Well, because of the storm, right?
Yeah, the weather, power's out. I think we gotta maybe make our way outside. I wonder if it's all the stores or just this one. Oh, there we go. Woo! Yeah, it's not a full power. Better go check the fish. Oh, here are the fishies. A little dark. Almost time to go with the power out. A lot of stores power out there. All right, well, the lights are back on inside and out, but we're gonna leave so we don't get stuck in here again. An eventful day at Cabela's. I hear Harrison, he's on his way. There he is. Harrison! Harrison! Right over here. Woo. Whee, time to go eat.
85.